Hello and welcome to the Crafty Robot. I wanted to tell you about a workshop I ran as part of the Thingscon conference in 2020. It was a remote workshop about building games using the Smartipresence system. A couple of weeks before, I sent everyone a Smartibot kit and a couple of these small 9-gram servos. At the start of the workshop, I taught everyone some cardboard modeling techniques, and together we all built a robot chassis like this, which could then be modified to turn into the sort of gaming avatar. Then everyone broke off and sort of built their own game experiences. I made this game where you had to avoid the carrot zombies and rescue the office workers and take them to the rocks chopper.
Here we go.
The office is under attack by zombies. Don't touch them. Hang on. Okay, find the office workers. Get them to the rocks chopper.
We had this game where you had to avoid the lava and knock over the different objects with the different prize values.
So wait. Oh, just smash things and get points.
Yes, just smash to get points.
Sweet. I'm going to smash the iPhone.
Bam! There you go.
Oh, but not the lava. Got it.
Don't go into the lava.
Don't go in the lava. Oh no, the lava.
Smash the Barbie to the right, left. I mean, oh, there's a cute kitty. Bam!
We had this fishing game where you had to go around and pick up fishes with a kind of magnetic fishing pole. We had this experience that was kind of a tour of this lady's beautiful robot Christmas decorations, which was really lovely. We had this quite cryptic kind of almost of a riddle game.
It says your assignment, put things in the right order.
So yeah.
So where can I go and what can I see?
Yeah, go around. Try to find something. Oh.
Which basically meant finding the mirror and then looking at where it said things so that where it said things was the right way around.
There you go.
We had this thing that was built by this man who just had a baby.
I've got a 3-week-old son, and I'm hoping that the grandparents will be able to use this to entertain them.
Doing a whole making workshop remotely worked a lot better than I thought it would. And it was also really interesting to see different people's kind of interpretation of what a game might be. It's actually very easy to put one of these kind of games together. Hopefully this might have inspired you to do that yourself. If you do, send me a link. I'd love to play it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.